Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm going to cover today how to remove glasses from a face in Adobe Photoshop. This is a very complicated procedure involving many steps, but I'm going to just cover the basics very quickly using the healing brush tool. It's a very, very good tool for sort of taking elements from one part of your image and moving them to another part of the image smoothly and creating sort of a blended, a nice. Okay, so here we have actually a picture with a woman with sunglasses. Now, you wouldn't be performing this typically on sunglasses. That's extremely difficult to do. You would need another image of the woman's eyes. But I'm going to, again, just cover the basics of the procedure, which is, so we're going to select the healing brush tool. I will remove the outer rim here as if they were just plain glasses, and you'll see how it's done. So first thing you want to do after you select healing brush is select the size that you want. And I selected 5, as you can see. That's decent for now. It's a little bigger than the rim. Let's go a little bit bigger. Let's go to like 9. Okay. What happened? 9. Okay, and then you want to select replace. And what you're going to do now is replace this image, this black area, with an image of the skin. So you're going to, now that you have the healing brush, hold down Option, select an area of the skin that you like right above it or right next to it, and then go down over the glasses and simply swipe over them. So now the healing brush tool replaced the image of the glasses with the part of the image with a part of the image from skin tone, natural skin tone. Now you're going to go to normal. We can make our brush a little bit smaller, and now it becomes sort of your job to make this a little bit more smooth, make it look natural. You're going to keep hitting the Option key and selecting a piece of skin that you like and looks good, and drag it across until it blends. And as you can see, we're starting to get rid of the glasses on the forehead. So you would continue this procedure for glasses, and if you have a nice shot of the eyeball through reading glasses or whatever you're trying to remove, then you would just obviously keep that portion of the picture, remove the frame itself using the procedure that we just went over. That's how to remove eyeglass frames from faces in Photoshop. My name's Justin, and I hope that helped. Thanks.